Some of you may already know how to insert a table into Word, so this might be a quick review. We're going to go ahead and hit the return key twice. Just like you would with anything else, you want a blank line in between, and we are going to come up to our Tables tab, and over here where it says New, we're going to insert a table. We're going to do a 5 by 1 table, and you'll notice that it pops up right where my insertion point was. We're going to type in the words type, tab over, dimensions, tab over, word count, tab over, photo count. Make sure you're capitalizing these words, tab over, and cost. Now you may say, well, Miss Brown, what are we going to add underneath the table? If you just go ahead and hit the tab button, it will automatically create a new line. So we're going to type in full page, tab over, 9 inches, space times 7 inches, tab over 800, tab over 4, tab over 650. We're just going to keep tabbing down. This one's going to be a half page. It's going to be a 4.5 by a 7 inch. It's going to be 400 word count, 2 photo count, and it's going to be $350. Tab down, quarter page. Oops. Capitalize page. That's going to go ahead and be a 4.5 inch by 3.5 inch, and those are capital X's that are in between there as well, so make sure those are capitalized. It's going to be 200 word count, 1 photo, and that's going to be 225. Tab one last time, and we're going to do business card. It's going to be a 2.25 inch by 3.5 inch, 100 word count, 0 photos, and that will be for $125. Let's go ahead and apply a style to our table. So you're going to see up here, just like we have for our pictures and things like that, we have the table styles. If you click on the little drop down arrow, you're going to see all the different options. You can scroll down to see what works best for you. We are actually going to pick this one right here, medium 1. I'm sorry, let's find medium grid 3 accent 4. So medium grid 3 accent 4. Medium grid 1, medium grid 2, here we go, medium grid 3 accent 4. So we're going to go ahead and click that. You'll notice that it completely changes the way the table looks. And then we're going to go ahead and now we're going to add, we're going to resize the table to fit the contents. And how you're going to do that is you're going to come up here under Tables tab, Table Layout tab, and you're going to see right here where it says the Auto Fit, and we want to pick Auto Fit to Contents. You'll notice that it shrunk down our table here. Okay. Then we're going to align the data in our cells. So we want to go ahead and select everything from here over, and we want to go ahead and align up here under alignment, we want to go ahead and choose top center. And you'll notice that it's centered all of that stuff there. And now last we're going to center the entire table onto our letter. So over here, when you use your insertion point or your mouse, you're going to notice that your mouse changes. If you click on that, it highlights the entire thing. Then you come here to the Home tab and you just center it like that. One thing I did notice, and I don't know if you guys have this too, this should all be black text underneath. And apparently I had it at brown. So go ahead and fix that. Just highlight all of that there. Okay? All right. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to insert a row on the table. So we're going to move our mouse to the first row here. Okay? Because we want to insert a row above this row. So we want a row above all of this. Okay? So how you're going to do that is you're going to come up here once again to table layout. You're going to notice that right here you can quickly insert above. Now one thing you're going to notice is that it still has the line separating these all into different cells. So what we want to do is we want to merge these cells together. Alright? And that's going to be right up here. We're going to merge those together so it's one long cell. And we're going to go ahead and type in the words monthly, issue, advertisement, rates. Okay, it should automatically show up black. Then last, we're going to click on the line below the table and we're going to type in please. Oh, my font is not black, so let me get that set back to automatic. Please note that additional fees will be assessed if the word or photo counts exceed the limits listed above, period. We offer the following discounts. Colon. Then we're going to hit the return key again. One thing I did notice is I forgot to put a space between here, so I need to go ahead and enter that in. Go ahead and save at this point.